Hey everyone, I'm excited, I'm pumped because I want to go over a trade setup with you today, step by step, and a cannabis company. It's a $90.50 stock. All right, first of all, how can you not love that? But it's actually a real estate investment trust, a REIT. In the cannabis sector, the properties are used for growing legal medical cannabis here in the US. And by the way, it pays a 3 1/3% dividend, and earnings are upcoming, and they have very liquid stock and options. So if you're a stock trader, if you're an option trader, you're gonna love it. And more importantly, I love this stock because I made a boatload of money in the past. So let's go over this video here. This green line is my demand level. Demand is where buyers step in. We can think of it as support. So back here in March, all the way really to early June, it was coiling up at my green line, at my buyer's line right there, at demand. It was coiling up like a spring. Now when a stock does that, it springs up, it coils up, that spring unleashes, and the stock explodes. That's what happened. It went all the way to the 130s. To be fair, I got in around 87 and closed it around 120. So I wish I would have caught the 139, but realistically, who's gonna call the very top? But what's happening right now, today, and why I had to share with you this video, is we're starting to coil up like the spring right at my green line. Here we are at 90.5 a share in IIPR. That's the ticker symbol. And what I'm looking at, and they have earnings upcoming, did I mention that? Is for a move to the upside. I think we have that move to 130. We base around 130 to 135. Then I'm looking for a takeout of the previous high, 139.5 to 140, all the way up to 150 is my exit level. Now, I'm not ready to pull the trigger on this trade yet, but when I do, I want you to sign up, put your email in, click the link below, so when I do pull the trigger, when I do execute the trade, you'll get the alert and you'll be in the know. And by the way, I have about 3 or 4 other names in the cannabis sector that you've probably never heard of that aren't gonna get mentioned on the financial media, just like this trade that I wanna share with you as well.